um onto our blocks. So first thing we want to do is create a function that creates two random numbers and adds them and like displays them on the screen for the user to see. We're going to need four variables for that. So the first one we'll call it number one, and then we'll name it. We'll set it to 0. Initial value is 0. Duplicate it, num2, that's also 0. And we need another variable to store what the actual correct answer is. We're going to code for it to add itself up, but not display it on the screen, of course. So let's call it right answer, and we'll set that to 0 for now. And we need another variable to store what the user is answering, so we can compare them against each other. So user answer, and that's also 0. Now onto the function. Grab a function block here, and we'll call it create and display questions. Long name, but okay. So we want to set our number one to go to the maths drawer, random integer from 1 to 100. Duplicate this. Oh, my bad, that's the wrong variable. Num1. That was from a previous testing of this app that I made. Set number2 to integer, and now we want to set our correct right answer variable to the sum of the two. So go to the maths drawer and duplicate. Perfect. So now we also want to set the labels text to the question. So grab your block here, your label block here, and we need a join block from the, click on the gear icon, add into, shift this over here, and I'm going to change this to plus and equals. Now we need to just drag in our variables, number one and number two. That's done it. So later when the user submits their answer, after writing it out on the the user answered label, then based on whether it is correct or wrong, not only just the GIF, we want to change the color of the label to red or green based on the answer. So every time the question is displayed, we want to set the text of that variable to, set the text of the user answer variable label to 0, and we also want to set its text color back to normal. So color black, and that's done it. So obviously we need, every time the screen is opened, or every time the new question is finished, then we want to create new questions, right? So click on your screen's name. I've named mine quiz, and when it opens we want to start the function so it can go in like a never ending loop. Create and display questions. Now let's just test that out for now. Live test. 14 plus 61, and that'll be 75. So I click on 75. Obviously it's like not working. We haven't coded to display the what you write on the label or check it, but yes, it is creating random numbers, and that's good.